Today I'm going to deepest, darkest eastern Poland, where my best friend joined the landed gentry. Except she doesn't live in a manor, she has a tiny cottage. So the question is, could we do it? Could I? This is my best friend's house. Let's call her A. That's here, which is here, which is here. And this is the current Gremlin Towers, which is here, which is here. Now, they might be a quarter of the world apart and look different, but in essence, they both made of wood. Those brick walls lie. Where A lives, the houses are more honest. They are what they are and proud of it. If anything, the roofs are better. No asphalt shingle here. The windows, oh, excuse me, I'm getting a little distracted here. So, A's windows might be better than some of ours. Although, historically, maybe not so. Also, they're insulated. These days, it's mineral wool. Historically, it would have been straw, moss and such. Still more than what we get in Gremlin Towers, which is air. These two, by the way, started off as one house. One half obviously did better out of it. But I digress again. So, the specs being equal or better, there is the one obvious difference. The size. The tiny house is, well, tiny, smaller than the deck in her garden. A seems to effortlessly fit in her whole life, including the doggy, who has her own house outside, arguably bigger, but she likes company. So, could we fit in? Right, so this is the box. We will need a bathroom. A does have a compact bathroom. Can you sit on it? Nah, that's the toilet's bigger, darling. Yeah, I mean that's good. And a kitchen. This is Ace.
You can make the counter space a little bigger and stick a mini fridge in there.
And the bed, at least as big as this one. Here's Gremlin for size. But at least this could all be used as clothes storage. So, what do we have that we couldn't bear to part with? 100 years ago, my grandma got this as her wedding present. I'm gonna be buried in it. And there's the dresser with china. 3 generations and 2 world wars worth of china. No way I'm letting this go. And then we have books. 5 cubic meters thereof. Well, we've only been in here for 2 years or so. Don't expect us to have unpacked. I love them! All! Still 2 cubic short somewhere.
What I really need and really want is my stuffy collection. My dresser. My dresser right here.
And we don't even have a table. And what about the rest? So, no.
No way, Jose.
Also, there are some other issues, such as there are no gas lines where A lives. So this is heating, a classic Polish tiled stove. It's beautiful and can cook. Would make somebody a lovely wife, that would. But it doesn't light on its own, not even when it's really cold in the middle of the night. There is no room for a tank, so we heat water on demand, which does for a shower, but not sure it would do a large bath. But that's okay, because guess which other pipes are in there? The sewers. So we have a septic tank, and even though it's a talking one, talks to your phone. Wow! You still need to empty it, so there'd be no baths and no sitting under hot water for hours either. Also, there isn't the room for a fridge. So, this is the fridge. Really cool, like a hobbit hole, but a bit of a walk for a Tommy or a glass of milk. Oh yeah, and then there's this, cause there isn't the room for washing machine either. All this by hand, twice a week, every week, and where do you even dry it? There is no room for this, even if, unlike me, you'd use it. And the washing line outside is great, but more so in the summer. I have to ask A. A's electricity supply is about the same as ours, and her internet, wireless mind you, is both way faster and way cheaper than ours. So, you're okay on high-tech there, but the trouble with living far, far away is that things are far, far away. So, while I'd much rather live next to this, and this, then to this, grocery shopping for one would be a trip. I mean, you're not short of options, plenty of room to grow your own, or you can pick it, except you need to know what to pick. Like, not these. And you might have to chase your dinner. So, yeah, it'd be different. School would be a ride. Pretty much anywhere would be a ride. Roads look better actually than where we are. That's thanks to the EU. Oh, I know, maybe Ontario should join. Not sure this camper life would be for me. Oh, what am I saying here? I live in North America. Everywhere is a drive. So, could I do it? Who knows? If I had to. So many other things I never knew I could do. I don't know. Maybe I could. Could I? I don't know. Gremlin on the road. fire.
That's your